53rd, 10th canto, 3rd chapter, 53rd verse. Yashodanandana patni cha jatam param abudhyata natalingam parishranta nidaya pagata smitihi. Exhausted by the labor of childbirth, Yashoda was overwhelmed with sleep and unable to understand what kind of child had been born to her. So different moods devotees have. The mood is different for the Lord also, for the devotees also. For the Lord, when he was with Devaki was offering prayers with folded hand. And the same Lord with Yashoda, different mood. When Krishna goes back to Mathura, yesterday we discussed, and he killed Kamsa, Vasudeva Devaki is standing with hands folded. Oh my Lord, O Supreme Personality, different mood. Similarly, there is a very nice instance. Sanatan Goswami talks about one boy called Gopakumar. Yes, in Brihad Bhagavatamrita. So the Gopakumar goes from Goloka to Vaikuntha. So when he goes to Vaikuntha, he sees Narayana. And he's searching for the Lord. He understands that is my same Krishna. Hey, you are my Krishna. Gopal, Gopal, Govinda. He's shouting. So in Vaikuntha they are telling him, hey, calm down, enough, don't make shout. Silently sit down. And he's looking at Narayana, he will repeat, he will say, yes, come. Narayana is saying, calm down, my child, calm down. It's a different mood. Yeah? So, when the heart is advanced, these are all actually too small. We are too small for all this now. Our stage is not to dwell on all this now. Our stage is to purify the mind. Otherwise, we will easily become what is known as Sahajiya. They were Prabhupada very careful not to discuss certain things which we have no adhikara for. We'll dwell one side, our heart is jumping with sense gratification. Other side, we want to discuss intimate dealings of Krishna with devotees. It doesn't make sense. So this is our situation today. Actually, very sincerely to execute Krishna consciousness, to keep our mind and body engaged whole day in Krishna consciousness. Correct? Then we have a hope of spiritual advancement. Not that we will dwell on these things whole day or thinking we are advancing. No. We still are within the modes. So there is need of good engagement every day. There is also the need of sadhana to purify ourselves. Then we can discuss something. Otherwise, it will be very, very artificial. So there is, as for Bhagavatam reveals, there is a difference of mood between Yashoda and Devaki. So whenever Krishna does something very wonderful, the residents of Vrindavan don't think he is God. Maybe some Devata, that is also not settled. When Krishna showed Vishnurupa to Mother Yashoda in the mouth, but Mother Yashoda, okay, never mind. She doesn't want to meditate on it. Even Krishna lifted the Govardhan hill. Everybody was watching, so Nanda Maharaj put his small stick. Some coward man was also putting some stick. So Mother Yashoda thought, what my small child will do. Nanda Maharaj actually lifted. What is a kid? So she doesn't want her emotion to be disturbed. But Krishna is at the same time arranging for that. He doesn't want the Mother Yashoda should feel that he did it. When Krishna kills Bakasura, so many demons, Krishna says she never feels Krishna has done something. It is because of Vishnu. See, I am a servant of Vishnu. I pray to Vishnu. So Vishnu protected my child today. Like that. She is not meditating a child. It's good. Vishnu, God has done something. A small child. What will he do? He protected her. Because of his power, my child is protected. She always meditates in that way. So there is the difference of mood between Mathura and Vrindavan. In Vrindavan, Krishna is nobody knows at all. He is a child. He is the Supreme Lord. There is this consciousness more in Mathura and more in Dwaraka that Krishna is, but he is one of us. He is ours. Yadavas always feel he is one of us. So it's Now bordering Vaikuntha, because Dwarka borders Vaikuntha, the mood of Vaikuntha has come in Dwarka. He is the Supreme Lord. But he is one of us. There is some kind of familiar affection. In Vaikuntha it is quite distinct. The Lord is there, we sit here. Therefore Gopakumar, and nobody appreciated it. Don't do all this thing. Sit down, enough. He's silent, don't make sound. No, nobody trained you at home how to do puja. But he is finding very unusual. What is all this behavior in the Vaikuntha? For him it's a different mode. So Sanatana Goswami built this whole situation. He visits earth, he sees the different planetary systems, he sees Lord Shiva's place everywhere, and by that narration he builds the whole situation, how the moods are different everywhere, how actually the Lord is worshipped everywhere, all the different places, the different forms of the Lord are worshipped, even in the material world. So he sees the whole thing, and that's why the narration by Sanatana Goswami.